Hello guys, welcome to the channel XhoTech here, and today I will be showing you how you can capture your Mac screen. Okay, how you can record your Mac screen. Okay, so for that what you need to do, you need to press Command Shift and 5 together. It's a very simple trick, and this kind of window will appear, this kind of selected area. So here you can select whether you want to record your entire screen or you want to record some part of the screen. Okay, so you can change it like this way also, and then press record. So recording is started. So you can check by opening any kind of thing over here. Let's cancel, and now to stop it, what you need to do, Command Control Escape. So now here you can see the clip. Let's run it. Look, this is running. Okay, so this is how easily you can record your Mac screen. Okay, so I hope this trick helped you a lot, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Okay, so bye bye for now. Thank you for watching.